Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll to find sound and vibration. In this highlighted section, we've got the ringtone, so let's tap. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to the themes in which we can download the music, the tones basically, or the ringtones, which is a cool option. Of course, if you want to, you can still pick something from the pre-installed ringtones here or local ringtone, which simply means that if you've got any compatible files downloaded, for example, from the internet, they will appear right there. If you want to still pick something from the pre-installed ringtones, just tap on it, tap on the ringtone, and here we've been transferred to the regular list of the ringtones which are pre-installed on your device. That was a misclick. What is more, you can don't set ringtone here, which simply means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And basically, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and let me volume it down. And basically, whenever you will tap on particular ringtone, it will be immediately, okay, got it. It will be immediately set. So as you can see, it is notified right here. There is a difference when you will pick something from those options, so from the kind of internet or the themes ringtone. Let me show it to you. So for example, this group, top instrumentals. And in order to listen how the ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. Okay, you will be able to hear it. And then if you want to set it, just tap on this bell icon. Tap on OK. Your device will download it and apply successfully. You can check it always right here. As you can see, it is notified. So it means that your device will use the chosen ringtone. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.